Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing about estimation of serum creatinine. Now for that we have to know the principle of this reaction. This reaction is known as Jaffe's reaction, and in this reaction creatinine will react with picric acid in an alkaline medium to form an almost orange red colored complex known as Janowski complex. The complex is actually creatinine picrate. Okay. So that is the principle of this reaction. And coming to the reagents we are using in this reaction, it contains picric acid, sodium hydroxide, creatinine standard solution, and test solution. Okay. Now coming to the procedure, it is similar as before. We take three test tubes and mark it as blank, standard, and test, and add the following reagents as shown in the table and mix them very well. And after that we keep the test tubes at room temperature undisturbed for about 15 minutes, and we should set the wavelength of the colorimeter at 550 nanometer and read the test tubes. Okay, so after 15 minutes of keeping the test tubes still, we can get these colors. Blank will be like this, standard and test will be uh, looking like this. Somewhat an orange red color will be seen in the test tubes. So after getting these after this we have to read the test tubes against the blank by setting the filter wavelength to 550 nanometer. The procedure for all the colorimetric estimation is similar to what we have done in glucose estimation. So first we have to set the blank, then read the OD of the standard solution, then go on to read the OD of the test solution, and finally we have to calculate the concentration of test using the formula given here. Now this can be calculated if concentration of test has to be found out. For that, concentration of standard is already given here. OD of test we will find out by colorimeter. OD of standard will again be given by colorimeter. So finally we have the result, and we will write it as concentration of creatinine in the given sample is this much. Okay, thank you, and we'll see in the next class.